Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, episode number 4 of the rate of change. That is the application of what? Differentiation. We are on calculus 3. So this episode we are picking the radius of a circle increases at the rate of 0.4 meter per second. We have to find the rate of increase of the circumference. So first we have to identify the parameter or the quantity we are looking for, the circumference of a circle. So we need to have a fair knowledge of the volume, the circumference. What is the formula for the circumference of a circle? So first of all, let's pick the data from the question. So the data we have is radius of a circle increase. That is the change, the rate of change is given. So that is dr dt with respect to time, 0.4 meter per second. We are finding the rate of change of the circumference. So, okay, let's say dc dt is what we are interested in. The rate of change of circumference with respect to time. That is what we are looking for. But let's begin with the circumference of a circle. What is it given? By a formula. That will be 2 pi what? R. So if you know that, we go ahead and differentiate the C with respect to R. And that will be, we pick the coefficient because 1 will come and multiply the 2 pi. We subtract 1, that gives us R exponent 0. Going to be this. So the moment we have this, we start by using we are now going to use the chain rule, which says that what I am looking for is dc dt equals to dc, what parameter I have? dr times the dr, then the dt from the chain rule. So we are only going to do substitution. dc dr is given to us as what? 2 pi. Then dr dt is also given as 0.4. And when we multiply that, that will give us 0.8 pi. So therefore, we can say that the circumference is increasing at the rate of what? 0.8 pi circumference, right? Centimeter per second. Don't forget, we can also write it in terms of decimal, whereby pi will be given in decimal, we multiply. But without the pi, you still have this as the rate of change of the circumference. I'm sure this brings us to 4 episodes on the rate of change. And by now, you would have gotten all that you need to solve questions on rate of change. In the next episode, we will deal with small change, which is also under the application of what? Differentiation. Don't miss that episode. Share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment.